Welcome back to Python and Pandas tutorial series. My name is Raja Ramesh, and in this video we will see how to set up two things. One is Visual Studio Code and other is Jupyter Notebook. So what is Visual Studio Code and why we use it here? Visual Studio Code is one of the lightweight and powerful code editor. So in this we can code and we can edit our Python files which we will be using in our Python codes. And VS Code supports extensions for Python development. And coming to Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook is a popular tool for writing and running Python code interactively. Especially it is best for data analysis, pandas and visualization. So we will see how to set up both of these. First we will see how to download Visual Studio Code and install in your machine. Open any web browser and go to Google and just search for download Visual Studio Code. The first result will be the code.visualstudio.com. Click on that. You will see download Visual Studio Code. If you are using Windows, download the file from here. If you are using Mac, you can download your file from here. Because I am on Windows machine, I'll be using this link. Click on that link. It will start downloading. It will take some time based on your network speed. First we will install Visual Studio Code. For that, first locate the Visual Studio installation file that was downloaded. I have that on my desktop. Locate and click on the installation file. It will open the installer. You can accept the default installation path and you will see the space required. Just continue with the installation with all the default values provided. If you want an icon to be created on desktop, you can choose so. And continue with the rest of installation. The installer will take some time to install the required files. Once the installation is completed, you will see this screen. Here you have an option to launch the Visual Studio Code. To launch the Visual Studio Code, check that checkbox and click on Finish. It will launch the Visual Studio Code. Once the Visual Studio Code is open, you will see the welcome screen. So this is how we install Visual Studio Code. Now let us see how to set up Jupyter Notebook on your Windows machine. First, open your command prompt and type in a command space install space notebook and hit enter. It will take some time and you can see something is downloaded into your machine. It will download the required things and it will install the required files on your Windows machine. Just wait till the installation is completed. Now we see that installation of Notebook is completed. Let us launch Jupyter Notebook by typing another command called Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. It will take some time and it asks for the default application using which your Jupyter Notebook to be opened. I select any browser and click on just once or always. For now I am using always. And this is the home screen of Jupyter. In further videos we will see how to use this and how to interact with it. So with this we are done with installing both Visual Studio Code as well as Jupyter Notebook in our machines. In the next video we will see how to write a basic Python code to print hello world on your console. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.